Monday. Week 30, day 1. Here we go. I'm so excited. We're starting a new lesson. Last lesson in this chapter too, so we'll probably have a test. Probably not this week, maybe next week also, but I won't try to line it up with the social studies test. But, okay. So, lesson 5, I'm on page 468. Okay? There are a lot of vocabulary words. So get out a new sheet of paper. We'll try to get through the vocabulary words. Okay? So what are electronics? You guys know what electronics are. You're using them right now, right? What is your definition of electronics? I would say anything that uses power. So, electronic, yes or no? Yes. Doesn't plug into the wall, but it uses power. Electronic, yes or no? For Mrs. Nicholas, yes. I'm so funny. Okay, so we're gonna try to do 2 pages a day. We'll see what we get through. Okay, what kind of device do you put into that category? You probably use several types of electronical devices each day. Have you ever wondered what they look like on the inside or who came up with the idea to build such a device? During the last century, electronics have been evolving at a breathtaking and exciting pace. What new electronics do you think could be built in the next 100 years? So the first word is electronic. So electronics are devices such as televisions, radios, and computers that operating using small electrical parts to control the flow of electrons. So devices with, I'm going to make it shorter so you don't have to write that whole thing, electronic parts yeah. Okay. The transistors is a small, what makes electronic device called a transistor? So our next word is transistor. Well, at this rate, we might get through one word. Okay, is a small sandwich of 2 different types of semiconductors. So it's 2 different types of semiconductors. Okay. It changes the conductivity as it works. The transistors act mainly as switches or gates and are used binary code. The switch is open to let electricity through, which represents in the digit 1. The switch closes and stops the electrical flow, which represents in digit 0. So, sometimes when you see binary code, it will look like 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1, right? So I don't know if you've seen a lot of electric binary code, but basically it's just a whole bunch of zeros and 1. So 1 means that the switch is open, and 0 means that the switch is closed. So it's sending different codes to open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Does that make sense? Close, 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 open, 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 open. Okay, so that would be binary code. So that might be a what is binary code? Okay, so the power of electrons. Many electron devices uses machines that we use every day that contain tiny electrical circuits printed on thin chips made of silicone called microchips. So our next word is microchips. And these are not chips that you can eat in the microwave. I'm hilarious today. Oh, okay. So these are thin chips of silicon. Electrical circuits. On thin silicone chips. I know you guys are super excited about my jokes today. Okay, so the circuit design is etched onto the chip using ultraviolet light, smaller than a grain of rice. The microchip contains the binary code. So we had that already. So binary code. Binary code. There's so many vocabulary words. A series of zeros and ones. Okay? Which I said that. A series of zeros and ones that says open or close. My computer is trying to shut off. Okay, okay. So these microchips control the direct flow of the electronic currents. They are the brains of the modern electronic. Devices such as videos, games, mobile devices, digital watches, microwaves, and tablets. Microchips do the same work as transistors, only they're a lot tinier. Okay. I think that's where we'll stop today, just because that was 4 vocabulary words already, and then there's 2 more codes. We'll just start that tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going to do semiconductor devices. Peace out.